Hey everybody, so I wanted to give you all a little peek into what I have been doing outside of sewing. I received an order for 30 crochet dishcloths, and this has got to be one of my favorite stitches that I have found for dishcloths, and I absolutely love it. And so I have been working on this, and this is not my own stitch. I will link the video to give credit to the person who has shown everyone this stitch, and it's the turtle trunk. That is the name of her channel. But I have been making these dishcloths for my family. These are the only dishcloths we use, and I am really thinking about putting them in my Etsy shop as well. But these things right here, they are very strong, they are very durable, and the stitch is absolutely gorgeous. I will get it up close a little bit for you to see. So like I said, this is totally different than my sewing content, but I had to get this order out, and in order to do so, I had to use all of the extra time that I had in order to do that. And so that is one of the things that Martika has been working on for the past couple of months. And yeah, who would I be if I did not share it with my YouTube family? And so I am going to stabilize my phone here so that you can see this. I'm going to open up a couple of them so you can really see this beautiful stitch. And like I said, I use these in my own house. Okay, so yeah, let me open up one of them. I'm going to open up this green one here. This is I love this color here. And this looks beautiful in solid colors. It looks beautiful in multicolors as well. But look at that gorgeous stitch. It is beautiful. Now, if you are new to crocheting, you could probably follow along with this, but I would say you definitely need to know the basics, of crocheting. But yeah, this stitch, I forgot what it is called. I'm not even going to try to remember because I forgot. Okay. But yeah, it is so beautiful. Now, I have been asked before, do these stay like this? Does it stay this tightly woven after it is washed? And I will tell you, it does not. Okay. After it is washed, it does separate a little bit, but you can still see like the knots in it. But the cloth itself, because it is made of 100% cotton yarn, the cloth itself, it stays together. It's very, very strong, very durable, and it works as I wash my dishes, and I kind of use it as a scrubber as well. So that's how strong it is. But I love it. I do. I love these cloths. They are a lot of work when you have multiples to do at a time, like 30. Okay, and it can take some time, depending on how fast you crochet. I won't say that I'm the fastest crocheter, but hey, it is what it is. I got it done. But before I sent this order out, I wanted to make sure that I showed you all. This is it in black, a darker color, and you can see the beautiful stitching there. I just absolutely love it. And I'll go ahead and open up the other colors for you as well, okay? Let me know in the comments, because I'm really debating. Let me know if you think I should put these towels in my Etsy shop, okay? Right now, like I said, I'm inventorying and seeing what exactly I want to put in my Etsy shop as another launch, another startup of it. But you tell me what you think. This is a beautiful brown, like a cocoa brown color. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. And these were the colors that was requested. But like I said, there are like multi-color yarns as well. And I have made these towels in like multicolors as well. I have also did like some stripes, with different colors with this same stitch also. and it turned out beautifully. I've given these out as gifts. They make beautiful gifts. So whether you want to make them or not, that's why I'm thinking about putting them in my Etsy shop, because they do make beautiful gifts. So yeah, here's another one. This is a beautiful pink. I just think that that is gorgeous as well. And to wash them, I mean, just like any other dishcloth you may have, throw it in the washer, okay? Throw it in the washing machine, and it washes and dries up just fine. You don't have to worry about so much shrinking because it's a dishcloth. It lives in water, okay? So you can just throw it in there like you do all of your other towels, and then just put it in the dryer for it to dry. This is a beautiful red. I have even been told that some of these cloths are going to be given to someone to use as like a hot pad, because she had gifted her some of these cloths before, and she didn't even use it as a dishcloth. She said the recipient, she likes to use them, lay them flat and use them as hot pads to put like her hot pots and stuff on as well. So, you know, that's just another idea. They could be like an undercovering for, you know, like your plates or whatever, you know. Yeah, you could just do all sorts of things with these, but that is the red. And then the last color that I have here is like this. The color is called, oh gosh, natural or something, but I call it like a khaki color. All right. But yeah, it might even be twine. I can't remember, but yeah, that is this color here. I love this. I love this. This is like, I love this one. I like all of them, but for my home, I kind of lean towards these natural colors. I love the green. I do have a brown as well. I have, you know, just quite a few in my own kitchen that we use. And I used to have like regular dishcloths in there. And I'm going to tell you, even my husband, he was like, where are those cloths you made? That's how much we love these, because they are so durable. So now these are the only cloths that we actually wash our dishes with. So yeah, that is this one here. And that is all of the cloths that I have made. And now that this order is done, guess who is getting on their sewing machine? I am already ready. I am getting ready to tape a pattern together because I'm ready to sew, y'all. So yeah, these are my crochet dishcloths. And I am really, really pleased, you know, with the turnout of them, of all of the beautiful colors, definitely the beautiful design. And yeah, my recipient, I really can honestly tell you, I think she's going to be happy with these. She has ordered before. And yeah, I have a feeling too, this probably won't be the last. But whenever she's ready, so am I. So don't forget, tell me in the comments if you think that I should put these in my Etsy shop. Please let me know your thoughts on this. Have a great one, and I will see you really, really soon in my next video.